Hello everyone! Today we will look at the process of connecting our mini PLCs to a computer and downloading the simplest project directly to the device. For connection, we will need a PC and a cable. In the case of PR200, this is a mini USB cable included in the package. However, if you are programming PR100 and 102, you will need to find a micro USB cable, which is not included in the package, but most likely each of us always has several at hand. For PR100 and 102, external power is not required. They will be powered directly from the USB port of the PC. For PR200, an external power source of 220 or 24 volts required. Connect the PR to the laptop. Let's start ALP. Let's look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here is the status bar. Click on the COM port number and select from the drop-down list the one that suits us. In our case, the only one. This can also be done through the device port settings menu. Now the device will be automatically identified and you will be able to see its modification, status, memory. You can customize the list of displayed memory areas in the View menu. Let me briefly tell you about the indicators here. The higher the percentage values, the more corresponding resources is exhausted. Function blocks corresponds to the available number of instances of functional blocks. Variables. This is the available number of variables. Stack is used for intermediate calculations in the program. EEPROM for the available amount of non-volatile memory for retained variables. And RAM and ROM are the available permanent and operational memory of the device in percentages of the total file. Let's create a project for our programmable relay. ALP, by the way, automatically suggests exactly your connected device from the list. I will use a block from the library called Blink. We will tell you about all the blocks in detail in the following videos, but for now, I will just quickly set it up and connect it to the PR output. This will cause the relay output to turn on and off. 1 second on, 1 second off, and so on. Let's upload this program using the device Transfer Application to Device menu. A message about the need to update PR firmware may appear. This means that its version is older than required to work with your version of Akitech ALP. In this case, we agree, and ALP itself will install the current firmware on the device. Now let's enable something that will be very useful in your daily work: online debugging. It is launched using a special button on the Quick Access toolbar. Now directly in the software environment, you can see how your algorithm is executed and also control the state of the inputs, outputs, and intermediate variables. Not bad, right? This concludes the second part of the course. Working in the program is quite simple, and with our videos it will be even pleasant. Stay tuned for our course updates. Thank you for your attention. All the best.